Welcome back to English Tales to Ponder. Today, we will hear about Maria's visit to the animal shelter. It is Saturday morning. Maria wakes up early. The sun is shining through her window. She lives in San Francisco in a small apartment near a park. The street outside is quiet. A cool breeze comes through the window. Maria gets out of bed and stretches her arms. She walks to the kitchen and makes tea. She eats a banana and a small piece of toast. Then she checks her phone. There is a message from Lily, her little sister in Mexico. Lily: Did you get a cat yet? Maria smiles. She misses her sister, but Lily's messages make her feel close to home. Maria: Not yet. I will go today. She washes her face, brushes her teeth, and gets dressed. She wears jeans, a blue shirt, and her comfortable shoes. Then she picks up her bag and leaves her apartment. Maria walks to the bus stop. The bus comes in 5 minutes. She gets on and finds a seat near the window. On the way, she sees the city. Cars, tall buildings, a bakery, and people walking dogs. The ride is not long. Soon, she stands in front of the animal shelter. The building is small and white. A big sign says, Pet Friend Shelter. She opens the door and walks in. A woman at the front desk smiles and says, Hello. Hi, Maria says. I want to see the cats. Great, the woman says. Go to the second room on the left. Maria walks slowly. She sees pictures of cats and dogs on the wall. She hears barking from a room nearby. The shelter smells like soap and something a little wet. She turns left and enters the cat room. There are many cats. Some are sleeping, some are playing, some are eating. One cat is very loud. It jumps and meows. Another cat hides in the corner. Maria walks slowly. She stops and looks at each cat. A small orange cat runs in circles. A black cat climbs a shelf. A white cat looks at Maria, then walks away. Then Maria sees a gray and white cat. The cat sits quietly in the back of the cage. It does not move. It just looks at her. Maria kneels down. Hello, she says softly. The cat blinks but doesn't meow. It stays still and watches her. Maria reads the paper on the cage. Name: Luna. Age: 2 years, loves quiet people, likes soft music and warm blankets. Maria smiles. You are nice, she says, just like me. She sits there for a minute and watches the cat. She imagines Luna sitting on her couch at home or looking out the window. Her heart feels warm. A worker comes into the room. Do you want to meet her? He asks. Yes, please, Maria says. The worker opens the cage. He picks up Luna and brings her to a small room. Maria follows him and sits in a chair. The worker puts Luna on her lap. The cat does not move. She sits and looks around. Maria pets Luna gently. The fur is soft. Luna closes her eyes. You are very sweet, Maria whispers. Do you like me? Luna stays on her lap. She does not jump or hide. Maria smiles. The worker says, She is a good cat. She needs a peaceful home. Maria thinks for a moment. Then she says, I want to take her home. Great, the worker says. Please wait here. Maria fills out a form. She signs her name and gives her address. The worker gives her a small box for Luna. Maria says goodbye and thanks them. She walks to the bus stop with the box in her hands. Luna is inside, quiet and calm. At home, Maria opens the box. Luna walks out slowly. She looks around the room and sits near the window. Maria takes a photo and sends it to Lily. Maria: I have a cat now. Her name is Luna. A few seconds later, Lily sends a message. Lily: Yay, I want to meet her. Maria smiles. She sits on the couch. Luna jumps up and curls into a ball. "Welcome home, Luna," Maria says. Now, let's think about the story. You can answer the questions in your mind or say them out loud. Don't worry if your answers are not perfect. Just practice. Questions to ponder. 1. Why do you think Maria wants a cat? 2. How does Maria feel when she sees Luna for the first time? 3. What kind of pet would you like to have and why? 4. Have you ever visited a place like an animal shelter? What did you see? 5. Why do you think Lily is excited about Maria getting a cat? Thanks for listening and pondering with us. Please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories.